As can be seen in the Dow chart, after the big evening star signal and the close below the T-line, they haven't been able to keep it up above the T-line, especially in the slow curve. Plus, what acted as a support level at the 50-day moving average was breached yesterday, and today's trading, forming a doji, could be the potential of a bounce back up, but I'd be more apt to look at a bounce because your stochastics are not yet in the oversold area. Very simple on a doji. If it opens positive, they're going to trade positive. But then you have to watch to see whether they can get back up through the resistance level that had been acting as support and the T-line. A lower open could create a doji sandwich. A trading day the same magnitude as this day, which logically would take us all the way down to the 200-day moving average. That same scenario is being witnessed in the NASDAQ. Notice how the NASDAQ is doing a big dumpling top. This would definitely create a lower open tomorrow. If it opened lower tomorrow, a good possibility they will slam it down, at least down to the 200-day moving average over the next few days. Right now, very simple analysis. You're in a downtrend until you see a buy signal and a close back up above the T-line. Knowing that the slow curve, like we were recommending shorting on CRE, is usually a situation where the down move after a slow curve could be fairly substantial. Same scenario occurs when you see a slow curve to the upside, usually a strong pop to the upside. This makes for very good profitability on a short trade or whether you're buying the puts. That same prognosis is in our recommendation to be short SEAS, SeaWorld. Notice again the dumpling top and how we're staying below the T-line. This is where you can start seeing a strong downdraft based upon, this is investor sentiment getting weaker, and then the panic selling starts setting in. And currently there are long positions in the portfolio, such as AMBA, which is also a fry pan bottom with a breakout to the upside, and then the J-hook pattern set up. Right now, we would have closed out this position, had it closed below the T-line today, but note how it closed just above the T-line, making this uptrend still in progress. Having the knowledge of what investor sentiment usually does, based upon a reoccurring situation through the centuries that the Japanese rice traders have identified for us, we can be in the right trades at the right time, or at least positioning ourselves to have long positions in a bad market as well as short positions in a bad market. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.